Sometimes I forget I don't have any money. Oh, hi! I didn't see you there. Camera that I explicitly placed right behind me. You know, vending machines. My school has them, as you can see. But sometimes I wonder, what's with the food inside? Why don't we have anything like Snickers? And why do we have a premium granola? Let's find that out. We have chips and popcorn. Fruit snacks and Rice Crisps. Granola bars. Nutrition bars. And Rice Krispies. And now for the drinks. Apple juice. Vita Ice. Mountain Dew Kickstart. Huh, that's weird. I don't see any Mountain Dew Kickstarts.
Hi, it's me. A completely different person. Now, I heard you have a thing or two to share about this Mountain Dew Kickstart thing.
Yeah, it's a pretty serious topic. It's, just no kickstarts in the morning. It's really bad. It's really, really bad.
Yeah, you see, most of us are really tired in the morning and we could really use the boost.
The boost. Really want my caffeine, man. It's a tough life out here.
This poor girl, she's tired. We need the caffeine. Thank you for your time, miss.
Sparkling water. Gatorade. And the Pepsi Zero Sugar. We can all see a certain trend with all these snacks and drinks, but let's dive a bit further. According to Mr. Clausen, Linpeco Snacks fills our vending machines, but they have to follow certain guidelines from the federal government. For example, calories must be 200 or less for our snacks. Total sugars has to be 35% by weight or less, and carbonated beverages must only be served in high schools with a maximum of 10 calories. So yeah, blame the government, I guess. So now you know what we got and why we got it. This is CEO of PepsiCo, Ramon Lagarta, and until next time, restock the Kickstarts, please.